Just sit right back and you'll hear a tale of your faithful trip. It started in the firmament, and then we all got tricked. Life was great when we were young, with all the things we believed. Then it all got hard, unbearable, and we know we're being deceived. Forgotten, ignored, secret, and hidden. Topics that talk about how water is knowledge. Now drink from the fountain. Let's pour some on you now. Today we're going to do something I've never done before. We're going to do a box opening. I just got myself a new web live streaming camera. It should be much better quality than what I have and what I'm using right now. And I'm going to show you as I open the box, and then when I install it, I'm going to come back on and be filming it with the new camera, and I'm going to show you the difference. So let's get into what happens, and let's open this box. This is a camera that I just bought. It's called Angeltube Stream Webcam. This is H.264 encoding, which I don't know what that means, but it's for faster uploading. It's high definition 1080p at 30 frames per second. This has automatic low light correction, which is awesome. I'm having trouble with my lighting. If you look at me right now, I'm washed out. And look, I don't even have any studio lights on, and I have my blinds closed. This camera that I'm using right now, the webcam that you're looking at, is a 720p. Now, I've been having problems, especially when I want to do live streams. Anytime I start talking and I start to talk with my hands and I wave around, the video blocks and I freeze and I pixelate, and people say, hey, you're buffering. And so I thought, damn it, what can I do to improve my video quality, and how am I going to get around this stuff? So I went to a computer guy. I went to a computer shop and I asked them, and I said, look, I don't have NVIDIA, I don't have Radeon as my graphics. I use a Intel graphics processor. And I've been uploading at, like I said, at 30 frames per second to YouTube. Now, the standard on YouTube is 1080p at 30 frames per second. If you have a video channel where you're producing travel logs, where you're out filming mountain ranges and cities and using drones, you may want to upload in 4K, but you don't really have to. The standard on YouTube today seems to be 1080p at 30 frames per second. So I went to my computer guy and I said, look, do I need a new computer? Do I need maybe a graphics card? Maybe I need a Radeon graphics processor or NVIDIA, like the gamers use. And I thought, I don't know. And he said, what kind of camera do you have? And I said, well, I use a 720p camera. And he said, that's your problem. He said, when you try to live stream, are you getting freezing and buffering? And I said, yes. My viewers tell me all the time I'm buffering and I have a delay and I can't get any better resolution. He said, it's just your camera. Just change your camera and you should be fine. I just ordered this camera and I just got it, and we're going to do a box opening. Okay, this is an Angeltube Stream Webcam. Now this is H.264 encoding to upload faster. It has 1080p at 30 frames per second video recording, automatic low light correction. If you look at my video right here, when I'm talking, look how half of my face is washed out, especially with my glasses on. If I were to turn on my studio lights, if I turn them off, do you notice the difference? If I turn this up, look at that. There's my white light, there's the mixture, that's white, that's amber. That's amber and white mixed. I'm just washed out. There's no really good lighting correction with this camera that I have. This is a 720p camera made in China that I picked up online because it was very cheap, and I didn't like the camera that came with my notebook computer. Let's go. Let's open it up. All right, I just got this. All right, so it's a nice box. I open it up. Here seems to be like an optical cleaning cloth. That's probably for the lens. That just fell out. Let's open the tray. All right, this is what's in the box. It's a neat little package tray. There's the cord. This is everything. Oh, I have it upside down. What is that on the bottom? That is just the manual. Share your experience by writing a review. Well, I'm doing a box opening. That should help.
for Angeltube. Now let's hope this camera really does a spectacular job as we finish this video. Now here, as I remove it from the bag that it was wrapped in, this is the camera. Alright, that's a good looking camera. Alright, on the front it says Angeltube. It's got the clip that will attach to your notebook flip up screen attached to the back of your monitor. And there's the USB cord. Now it recommends that you use USB 3.0, you know, the one with the blue plastic. I've got one of those. I've also got 2.0 on my computer. I've got a few jacks that I'm going to plug it into, and we're going to see how it works. All right, and I just upgraded, I hope, the quality of my videos and my broadcasting. So let's give it a try. Well, what do you think? Wow, look at that. This is the new camera. Look at that. I have not changed frame rates per second or resolution, and it's so much better. It's just a better lens. I think it's better glass. It's got a wider angle to it. It's not distorting. The color's not washing me out. I don't even have my studio lights on, and I'm sitting right next to a window with the sun shining through the blinds. I've got the blinds closed, turned up. Let me show you what it would look like if I turn on my studio lights, like my makeup type ring I've got. There's the amber light. That's the combination of white and amber. That's white only. That's amber. I prefer amber. It gives me more skin color. Look at that. Man, it's not delaying. This has the background separation so that I will be able to, it's called background replacement. So I should be able to put graphics behind me and show things on the screen like whales swimming around, or I could fly like Superman through the sky and do things with it. It's a pretty successful camera so far. Look at this, the Angeltube Stream Webcam, 1080p, 30 frames per second capable. And I'm not even using that right now. You want to know the truth right now? I'm using 360p at 24 frames per second. Because that is about all my laptop will handle that I use for this stuff. But it's already such a great improvement. I'm not washed out. If you look at some of my prior videos, just a video I put out like 2 or 3 videos ago, my death experience, and I'm just pale. I look white as a ghost. No pun intended. But yeah, look at this. I can have my studio lights on. I can have them off. I don't even need them on. But it's still not washing me out. Look at that. I like it a lot. I think that was a successful purchase, you know. I didn't have to upgrade anything. I didn't upgrade memory. I didn't get a new computer. I didn't upgrade my GPU. I didn't get a NVIDIA or Radeon graphics card. You know, I thought I was going to have to get all of these things, and all I did was get a better camera. So if you're having problems with your video quality, try it. It's a good camera. Remember, it's the Angeltube Stream Webcam with background replacement. Now, what I'm using is my broadcast software. I use XSplit for my broadcasting software. Now, some people use OBS. I just happen to choose XSplit, and that's what I learned on. When I edit, I use NCH. Okay, so I broadcast, I film and record on XSplit, and I edit on NCH. That's what I upload from, is my NCH editing software. And I noticed when I went to buy this, it said OBS, and the second one it mentioned was XSplit. And I thought, I know XSplit. That'll work for me. All right, so that's my box opening for the Angeltube Stream Webcam. It's a success. I like it. Look at that. La, 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 la. There's no delays. I can move around. It's just better frame rate per second camera. And look at that resolution. Man, I can read things. It's got a manual focus lens. I can focus in on, see that economics textbook? See, there's where you can tell it's only 360p if you try to read the letters on those books. Or see the frets on my guitar? If I go up to even 720p, I'll start having a lot of delays, and I can't handle that yet. I need to go to a desk computer with a lot of speed to be able to do this. But I should be able to live stream now, so I'm pretty happy with it. So thanks for coming. Thanks for watching me install my new camera and seeing what the difference looks like for my first box opening video. And remember, get the Angeltube Stream webcam. It's a goodie. It's amazing the difference I'm looking at. It's so much wider. I'm going to have to change my studio background because there's too much in the frame now. And so thank you for coming. Please hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell, and just wait till I post a new, prettier, and nicer resolution video. Bye.